This is Leah from BitOgenius, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Vortex Powerup in Pixicade Mobile Game Maker. With the Vortex Powerup, you can make an object that will pull or push objects that are affected by gravity. The Vortex Powerup is one of the many awesome features you get with the Pixicade Extra subscription. If you would like to learn more about Pixicade Extra, click the annotation in the top right corner to watch a video about Extra's awesome features. To apply the Vortex Powerup, go to the Powerups menu for your game. If you would like to learn how to create each of the Pixicade game types, click the annotation in the top right corner to watch a playlist full of tutorials. Scroll and click the Physics category from the toolbar. Tap the Vortex Powerup. Select the object you want to apply the powerup to. This object can be any color because the powerup will override the original color it was drawn in. Then, use the sliders to set the range and strength, and use the checkbox to make it push or pull. When you move the range slider to the left, the range gets smaller. When you move the slider to the right, the range increases. When you move the strength slider to the left, the vortex becomes weaker. And to the right, it becomes stronger. Vortexes will have glowing blue particles being either pulled into the object or pushed away to represent the settings. The Vortex Powerup can currently be used in Get the Goals, Maze Maker, Super Slingshot, Hole-in-One, Brick Breaker, Paddle Battle, Volley Versus, and Bumper Run games. Pixicade is always updating, so check back for new compatible game types in the future. Play around to explore all of the awesome games you can create using the Vortex Powerup. If you have any more questions, you can email us at support@bitogenius.com, and we are happy to help you. Enjoy creating and playing your own video games with Pixicade Mobile Game Maker.